Good morning. This week's real estate update. I want to talk about the real estate market. The real estate market has cooled off considerably in the last 6 months. And the thing I think that most people are not realizing is now is the time to buy. 2 years ago at the peak, really and truly was not the time to buy. People were paying $50,000 above asking. They were waiving inspections. They were doing a ton of things that did not make sense. Now the market has come down. You can negotiate a good deal. A lot of houses have been reduced significantly in price. You're not competing with multiple offers. You don't have to waive inspections. So I think what people need to understand is with the real estate market, with the stock market, with any sort of asset class, you do a lot better when you go against the trend. So things are slow now, buy now. But the weird thing about psychology in any kind of market is people buy at peaks, they sell at troughs. They sell when things go down low, they buy at peaks. So if you just do the reverse of that, you're gonna do a lot better in investing in real estate. And sure, the market could crash next week. Is that going to happen? Probably not. There's people that's been sitting on the sidelines waiting for a crash for the last 6 or 7 years because they started counting at the 10-year mark from 2008 and said, oh, 2018 things are going to crash. Well, guess what happened? Those people didn't make any money in real estate. They lost all the appreciation that they could have gained over the past 6 years. So I'm not saying there won't be a crash, but real estate is sort of a lot like the stock market. Time in the market. Don't try to time the market because you're never going to get it right. When there's market pullbacks, go ahead and jump in and buy real estate when the market pulls back. We're having a pullback now. So now's a good time to buy. You can always refinance and get a lower rate later on. So that is my advice for this week is don't be afraid to go against the trend. Buy real estate on market corrections and hold it for the long term. And you're gonna, over the long term, you're gonna make money. Even if there's a crash next week, 10, 15 years from now, that property is gonna be worth a lot more than it is now. So if you have real estate questions, give me a call, Norris Bishop Realty, 229-890-1186. Have a great week.